Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal University School, Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our lecture number 20. Topic is assignment 1. Okay, that means this is the math assignment 1. Okay student, please see the question. Unit and title. Unit and title. What is the name? Unit and title. Chapter 3 algebraic expression. Chapter 3 algebraic expression. Okay, this is the title of the lesson. Now, assignment or assigned tasks. What is your work? You see, this is the stamp. A equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. B equal to x square root 3x plus 1 and C equal to x square plus 10x plus 16. Okay, this is the stamp. Now solve the following problems. Problem 1. If A equal to 0, then determine the value of x. Problem 2. Is it possible to express C expression as the difference of two squares? Problem 3. Determine A square with the help of formula. Problem 4. Does the value of these and these are equal? If B equal to 0. Present with mathematical logic. Now, instruction. What is the instruction? You look. Using the formula, you will determine the value of x. That means you have to use the formula and determine the value of x. Now, you will express the difference of two squares by presenting with logic. You have to use the logic. With the help of mentioned expression, you will determine the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x cube plus 1 by x cube, and hence present with logic. Okay student, this is the instruction and this is the assignment tasks. Okay student, now I will solve one by one. Okay. Okay student, please look, write problem 1. Problem number 1. Right, given that A equal to what? A equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay? Given that A equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. Now, what is the question? Question, if A equal to 0, then determine the value of x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay? Now, write as A equal to 0, then we get A equal to 0, then x square minus 2x plus 1, or this can be written as x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now x square minus 2ab plus 1 whole square equal to 0. You see, this a square minus 2 is ab plus b square. This is equal to what? You can write the formula x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. You see, left side is square and right side 0. Then you have to taking the square root on the both sides. Then you get what? X minus 1 whole square. Then we get what? X minus 1 equal to 0. Remember, square and root will be vanished. Therefore, we get what? X equal to 1. Now, you have to write if A equal to 0, then the value of x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to what? equal to 1. Okay. So this is our result. Okay, student. Please now go the stamp. You leave. Problem 2. Is it possible to express C expression as the difference of two squares? Okay. Student, you see, then determine the value of x. You see, if a equal to 0, then the value of x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to what? Is equal to 1. Okay, that means what? That means the value of x is 1. Okay. Now see the question number 2. Problem 2. Is it possible to express C expression as the difference of two squares? Okay, now write the problem 2. Problem 2. Right. Given that C equal to what? X square plus 10x plus 16. C equal to x square plus 10x plus 16. Now you have to write as from that, this will be the difference of two squares. Okay. Look. Can you write like this way? X square then 2x to 5 plus 5 whole square. Look, you have to consider like this way: a square plus 2ab, that means 5 whole square. Okay. Now see, there is no 5 whole square, so we have to subtract 5 whole square. Okay. And plus 16 remaining same. Now what? Now write, look, a square plus twice ab plus b square. This is equal to what? We can write x plus 5 whole square. Okay. 5 square means what? 5 into 5, that means 25 plus 16 plus 16. Now x plus 5 whole square, 25 minus 25 plus 16 is equal to what? 9. Now can you write like this way: x plus 5 whole square then 3 square. Okay, 3 square means what? 3 into 3, that means 9. You see the question. Problem 2. Is it possible to express C expression as the difference of two square? Therefore we can say, oh, okay, this is possible. Now write, it is possible, hence we can write, hence it is possible to express C expression as the difference of two squares. Okay. So this is possible. You see, x plus 5, this is the one square and 3 is another square. Okay. So this is possible to express C expression as the difference of two squares. Okay, student. Please see now problem 3. Problem 3, please see, determine a square with the help of formula. Okay, determine a square with the help of formula. Student, please look now. Write problem 3. given that a equal to what? A equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay. Now, what is the question? You have to determine the square. Determine the a square with the help of formula. Okay. Now, write. What is your first task? You have to taking square on the both sides. Then you get what? A square equal to what? X square minus 2x plus 1, then whole square. Okay. Right here. Squaring. Okay. Then x square minus 2x plus 1. You have to consider now we have to consider x square minus 2x equal to a and plus 1 equal to b. Okay, then a plus b whole square equal to what? A square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay, now you have to write. A means what? X square minus 2x then whole square plus 2y. A means what? X square minus 2x into b plus what? 1 square. Look student, a plus b whole square equal to what? A square plus 2y a b plus b square. Then we have to break this also. X square then minus 2a, b means what? B means 2x, then 2x whole square, then 2x square, right, 2x square, 2 into 2x equal to what? 4x plus 1. This is equal to what? X power 4 minus 4 x cube. 2 to the 4 x square into x equal to x cube. Then 4 x square plus 2x square minus 4x plus 1. This is equal to what? X power 4 minus 4x cube. 4x square plus 2x square equal to what? 6x square minus 4x minus 4x plus 1 plus 1. Okay student, what is our question? Our question is determine a square with the help of the formula. Okay, therefore the required value of a square is what? X power 4 minus 4x cube plus 6x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay. X power 4 minus 4x cube plus 6x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay student. Now I will solve problem number 4. Please student look. Problem 4. This is very important. Problem 4. Does the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x cube plus 1 by x cube are equal? If b equal to 0, present with mathematical logic. Okay student? Student, I hope you understood problem number 2. Okay? Now can I erase? I hope you have picked now. Okay? Now I will erase. Now see problem 4. Problem 4. Look, given that what is given that b equal to what? B equal to x square minus root 3x plus 1. Okay, or x square minus root 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, How can we get this equal to 0? Because the condition is given b equal to 0. Okay, right here as b equal to 0. Now we have to divide the both sides by x. X square by x minus root 3x by x plus 1 by x equal to 0. 0 by x, that means 0, or x then root 3 plus 1 by x equal to 0. Therefore we can write x plus 1 by x equal to what? Root 3. Okay student, now at first, does the value of x square and 1 by x square plus 1 by x square and x cube plus 1 by x cube are equal? Okay, now write. Now write x square plus 1 by x square. Look, this can be written as x square plus 1 by x whole square. You know the formula a square plus b square equal to what? A plus b whole square minus twice ab. Okay? A plus b whole square equal to what? A plus b whole square minus twice ab. So you have to use the formula now. Now a plus b whole square minus twice x 1 by x. X vanish. Then x plus 1 by x equal to what? Root 3. Minus 2. Square and root vanish, then we will 3 minus 2. This is equal to what? 1. Okay student. Therefore we have got x square plus 1 by x square equal to 1. Okay. Now also x cube plus 1 by x cube. This is equal to what? X by. Do you know what is the formula of a cube plus b cube? We know a cube plus b cube equal to what? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Right? The formula x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3i is x 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. Okay. Now x and x vanish, then x plus 1 by x equal to what? Root 3. Put now root 3, then 3, then root 3. Look, root 3 then power 3 means what? This means root 3, root 3, root 3. You know, root 3 equal to what? 3, then root 3. Root 3, root 3 same. Now this is equal to what? 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3. This is equal to what? This is equal to 0. Student, notice here we have got x square plus 1 by x square equal to 1 and x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 0. Okay? Please now see the question. Please see the question. Problem 4. Does the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x cube plus 1 by x cube are equal? So we observe that the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x cube plus 1 by x cube are not equal. Okay? So we have to write the language now. We observe that the value of x square plus 1 by x square and the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube are not equal. Okay? We observe that the value of x square plus 1 by x square and the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube are not equal. Why? Because x square plus 1 by x square equal to 1 and x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 0. Okay, this is the mathematical logic. Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. You stay safe, stay well. See you again.